Whose birthday is it?
Whose birthday is it? Hey, Lil. Banana. Hey, sweetie. Whose birthday? Happy birthday.
Look at Drea's belly.
Okay.
She's gonna pop.
Mommy.
Say hi.
What? Okay, I'll grandma help you go in a minute.
DJ playing.
Wanna roll? Let's roll, eh? Wanna roll?
Good job.
Was that a video camera too?
Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, you like that, eh?
Hello, Amy.
They look blondies there. Hey,
I know, they're funky, they're big, and they're
She was coming in with one of
Let's
those.
go check the cake out.
Great, you would love my socks. And all his pants are too long, just like Owen. His waist has to be bigger, so that would
Ladies digging in the food. Crazy, crazy, crazy times. Jamie. Hello, hello.
Yeah, I had one. I'll write on it.
The birthday cake.
Oh, geez, do I get a grab bag? We're coming?
Only the children.
Only the children. When did you get this done?
Oh, some of them forever.
I had it forever, you just didn't wear that earring, I
Oh.
didn't see. For Lily's birthday.
Okay, yeah, do it up. Take some. No one's gonna use them.
I'll put it on for Lily's birthday.
Lily's birthday presents?
For Lily, number 2.
I always take them for scrapbooks.
Yeah. That's what I said, I'm going to write on it. Write on it, too.
Thank you for coming, ladies.
You're welcome, ladies. The birthday girls, and then what you say on our right stuff?
What, pardon me?
Just got off.
Oh. So the what?
I like that cake, though. Isn't that awesome?
It's cute, yeah.
Yeah.
I bet you. We want cake.
We gotta wait for Briar and Steve-O. They're like guests of honors, you know, they're like my homies. They're my top dogs, I can't do it without them.
You have to save us a piece.
No, you guys aren't leaving just yet, they're on their way.
Well, I'm leaving with my ride.
Oh. I'll save you a piece. You're not gonna stay for her to cut the cake? Grandma?
Baby. I love you.
Yeah, I love you too, Ellie. I just want to go home and lay down.
Yeah.
I think I feel I've been working my butt off the last 2 days.
Would you bake?
I didn't end up baking. Look at, there they are.
Tivo? Oh, okay. Briar?
Yeah.
Okay.
Look at him all flying his new gear. Looks like Briar's dressing Steve-O. I love it.
Oh, yeah, I'll kill myself.
Oh, is that when you were tipping it up?
Way to go.
I didn't know it was open. You got that thing left.